And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our friends on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
First this evening, the Integrity Commission has disclosed that an additional 2 parliamentarians are being investigated for illicit enrichment, moving the number from 6 to 8.
Now, the details were outlined in the Commission's annual report, which was tabled in the House of Representatives on Wednesday.
And what about certifying the statutory declarations of the Prime Minister?
We have the details from Andrea Chisholm.
In its 2022-2023 annual report, the Integrity Commission (IC) said 6 parliamentarians were being investigated for illicit enrichment. 1 year later, in the 2023-2024 report, 2 more parliamentarians have been added to the list, turning the narrative now to the illicit 8. There have been widespread complaints and mixed concerns about tarnishing the reputation of parliamentarians. Others have called on the Commission to speed up its investigation. In what appears to be a scathing retort, IC Chairman retired Justice Seymour Panton said the Commission has no control over speculations, rumors, or mischief-making in the society. He adds that the Commission also has no control over the complaints and allegations it receives, and it must investigate those complaints and allegations and document the investigation in the annual report. Under the law, illicit enrichment has to do with a public servant owning assets disproportionate to their lawful earnings and is unable to explain to the authorities how they got such assets. In its 2022-2023 annual report, 28 public officials were also being investigated for illicit enrichment. In this latest report, 4 more have been added to the list. Now, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has been in the line of fire as the Integrity Commission (IC) is yet to certify his statutory declarations. Retired Justice Panton only stated in his remarks that the Commission is nearing completion in respect of the Prime Minister's declarations. Executive Director of the Jamaica Accountability Meter Portal, Jeanette Calder, reacted to the update.
We do appreciate that the Integrity Commission needs to take its time and needs to get this right. Whether the Prime Minister is exonerated or there are adverse findings, we know this is a report that is going to, and rightly so, be subjected to a lot of probity and scrutiny. So I am all in favor of the Integrity Commission taking the time that it believes it needs to properly address and ventilate this.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.